How to tag everyone on Facebook. In today's video, let's learn how to tag everyone on Facebook. For that, firstly, you need to log into your Facebook page. Let's begin with tagging everyone in a group. I will be choosing a group and there I will make a post that says hello and then @ to tag everyone present in the group, @everyone. By writing @everyone, it tags each and every member of the group. Next, in order to tag all of your Facebook friends, we need to make a post that says hello and @friends. Here we will be using the term friends to tag all our Facebook friends. And that's how you can tag all your Facebook friends within a post. Now the last one, to tag everyone in the comment section of Facebook post. You can use @friends to tag all your Facebook friends or followers to tag your followers, and also you can use the term @following to tag your followings. In this way, you can tag everyone on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.